Hi everyone, welcome back to today's trade of the day, and for today's trade of the day we will be looking at the dollar CAD. Right, so what I have is the dollar CAD on the 4 hours, and very interestingly the dollar CAD has actually rebounded off the lows over here. Okay, this low November 9, there's a reason why it rebounded. There are two reasons actually, right? So the first reason is that we see price has sort of made a zigzag pattern. Right, so we can use Fibonacci extension for the zigzag 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, and we see the price reacted right at 127.2. Okay, so there is a strong support level here. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and highlight that 127.2. Now, secondly, if we were to zoom out to the daily, okay, and we look to the left, all right, this 127.2 zone is actually pretty close to where price was in January 2020. All right, the lows here, and this level was again tested. Okay, last tested back in 2018, but more recently 2020 January. All right, so let's go back down to the 4 hours. So we have the support over here, and price has clearly reversed. Okay, so I want to show you guys one thing. Now, how do I also know that trend has reversed? Now, when the market is in a downtrend, right, it makes a series of lower highs, okay, and it makes a series of lower lows. Right. However, okay, price has now broken above the previous high. So instead of a lower high and then a lower low, okay, price has now surpassed the previous high. So this is the first clue that the market is giving us that price is reversing. Okay, so for that, let's go down to the 1 hour. Right, on the 1 hour, we just want to zoom in on this area. Okay, clearly price is in an uptrend. Okay, we see that price is actually making a series of higher lows, okay, and also a series of higher highs. All right, so if we will connect all the higher lows together with a trend line, something like that. Okay, it's okay to cut the wick, but never cut the body of the candle. Alright, we see the price is very seated nicely on an ascending trendline support. So, if we follow price movement, price really made a push starting from here and pushed higher. Okay, why I did not start from here is because price reached a high and then it pulled back quite strongly compared to all the smaller pullbacks. Right? So that is why we will take the move starting from this area. So let's use Fibonacci retracement from this point to where price reached recently. So there are a few levels that we want to look at. Look at the trend line and this graphical support 23.6. Okay, so this can be a graphical support as well. Alright, and of course we have an overlap at the 50. Okay, if we look at the 50 in close, there is a graphical overlap here that has been tested multiple times. 1, 2, 3. Alright, and then on the flip side, when it's a resistance becomes support, it was tested here once as well. So this 50 can also be another level, another support level to look at. And finally, I'll take profit. We can actually use the negative 61.8 because if we look to the left, there is a graphical resistance here as well. Right, so this can be our intraday take profit. Okay, so I'll go ahead and highlight 23.6, 50%, and then negative 61.8. Okay, so this 23, we can actually wait for price to come back and use this 23 as sort of our buy entry, right? Because it's in line with the trend line, we can expect price to come back to test this level and play all the way up. Okay, and of course, where will our stop loss be? Now remember, the stop loss is the level that you know for sure, okay, your trade has gone wrong, right? So if price breaks below the trend line, okay, and it breaks below the stop loss, right, we know for sure there are two factors, the trend line and this 50% Fibonacci retracement. Okay, price has moved more than 50% of the original move. Okay, so we expect price to go down all the way to retest the last swing low. So the last swing low can also be our alternative target. Right, last but not least, let's confirm with moving averages to see where price is trending. Okay, I'm going to change the color so it's easier for you guys to see. Now 9 is too sensitive. Let's use 21. Okay, so we see that price holds the moving average holds the price trend nicely in a 21 moving average. Okay, and price is now finally above the 21 moving average. Okay, so this is how we can take an intraday trade on dollar CAD. So thanks everyone for the time that you've given to me. I hope you guys take care, stay safe, and I'll catch you guys again.